You're with me now at another beach in Nicaragua, but this time it's from Playa Mariana down all the way to the end of the coastal highway where it's constructed this middle of May. This is Playa Tupilapa, Playa Tupilapa. And it's a pretty good sized beach, some rocks along the shoreline, but as you can see, it continues on really far. And so I keep making all these videos to show you all the beaches here in Nicaragua that you can find, both the popular ones and the secret ones. And maybe we'll even discover some surf. But this is Playa Tupilapa after Juguete, before Casares, and before La Boquita. And then comes Playa Mariana in that order. And so it's really windy here. It looks like there's some surf, but the ocean's a little choppy over here. Let's go see what it's like on this side. I see some commercial fishermen out in the water with their pangas. But as you can see, once you get on the beach, you could quad, horse, walk. You can go really far. There's really nothing stopping you for quite a while. Probably more than you're gonna actually walk. So they have all this kind of rocky outcrop area here. I suspect all this fills up at high tide, of course. And let's go see. The water is a beautiful color today, isn't it? So here you are. This is Playa Tupilapa. When you're looking for a secret spot, I've showed you all of them down south, and here is another one down a dirt road hidden at the end of the coastal highway. This ended up being 15 minutes from Playa Mariana, and we're going to work our way back next to Juguete, and then Casares, and then La Boquita, and then we'll go all the way back to Playa Mariana.